Hook, have you ever been left hanging on the phone, waiting for a customer service representative? It's a frustrating experience, especially when you need help right away. Today, we're diving into the world of Monzo customer service and answering the burning question, how long does it really take to get assistance? Introduction: Monzo is a popular digital bank known for its sleek app and innovative features. But when it comes to customer service, how does it stack up? Let's find out. Understanding Monzo's customer service channels. Before we delve into response times, it's important to understand the different ways you can contact Monzo's customer support. Here are the primary channels. In-app chat. This is often the quickest and most convenient way to get help. You can simply open the Monzo app and start a chat with a customer service representative. Email. For more complex inquiries or issues that require detailed information, you can send an email to Monzo's support team. Social media. Monzo is active on various social media platforms, including Twitter and Facebook. You can reach out to them through direct messages or public posts. Phone. In some cases, you may need to call Monzo's customer service hotline. However, keep in mind that this might be the slowest option. Factors affecting response times. Several factors can influence how long it takes to receive a response from Monzo's customer service. Time of day. Response times may vary depending on the time of day. Peak hours, such as during business days or weekends, might experience longer wait times. Nature of the inquiry. Simple questions or requests for information are usually addressed more quickly than complex issues or disputes. Volume of inquiries. If Monzo is experiencing a high volume of customer inquiries, it may take longer to receive a response. Real-world examples and testimonials. To get a better understanding of Monzo's customer service response times, let's hear from real customers. Customer 1, I recently had a problem with my card and contacted Monzo through in-app chat. I received a response within a few minutes and the issue was resolved quickly. Customer 2, I sent an email to Monzo's support team about a fraudulent transaction. It took about 24 hours for them to get back to me, but they were very helpful and resolved the issue promptly. Customer 3, I tried calling Monzo's customer service hotline, but I was put on hold for over 30 minutes. It was frustrating, but I eventually got through and received the assistance I needed. Tips for faster responses. Be clear and concise. When contacting Monzo's customer service, provide as much detail as possible about your issue. This will help them understand your problem more quickly and provide a more accurate solution. Use the right channel. Choose the most appropriate channel based on the nature of your inquiry. For example, if you have a simple question, in-app chat might be the best option. Be patient. Even if you're facing a longer wait time, it's important to remain patient and polite with Monzo's customer service representatives. Conclusion. While response times can vary, Monzo generally strives to provide timely and helpful customer service. By understanding the different channels and factors that can affect response times, you can improve your experience and get the assistance you need more efficiently. With that said, thanks for watching and until next time.